London Underground K stock is a clerestory-roofed rail stock built for the District Line in 1927. It was subsequently absorbed into the London Underground Q stock. A complete review of District Line rolling stock was carried out in 1926, leading to the withdrawal of further B stock cars and their replacement, plus additional rolling stock to increase frequencies. This led to the construction of the K stock, some of which was owned by the London, Midland and Scottish Railway. As built, the cars had hand-operated sliding doors. The doors were converted to air operation in 1938 as part of the Q stock project. The modified cars were reclassified as Q27 stock. The last of the Q stock was withdrawn in 1971.